Today I'm going to talk about micronizing, a subject close to my heart. A strange thing to say, but all will become clear. Let's start at the beginning. What is micronization? Micronization is the art, and it is a little bit of an art form, of converting large powder particles into small powder particles. In some cases, that may be less than a micron, hence the term micronization. However, before we get into the technology, why would you ever need to micronize a powder? Powders are used in many applications. The size of the powder will differ from, say, a crystallization process or a drying process. The powder may not be ideal in size to give the desired pharmacological effect, or in other applications, the right feel. In some cases, the particle size distribution of powder is critical and has to be controlled. A few examples of this would be inhaled powder products such as metered dose inhalers or powder halers for the treatment of asthma. The powder must be the right size to allow it to get to the action site in the lungs. This is also the case with many other formulated products, where the absorption of the active element is critical for the correct pharmacological effect. These products can require a very close particle size distribution, around 1 to 2 microns in size, otherwise the products simply do not work. There are also more common uses of micronized powders in the world of cosmetics. Pretty much all face powders, lip glosses use micronized powders to ensure an even spread on the skin. Even some topical creams and ointments require micronized powders. The effectiveness of the product is directly linked to the particle size of the powder product. Some chemical processes for the production of printing inks and toners use micronization to achieve high quality, easily distributable products. Even coal is micronized before entering coal-fired power stations. This improves its burning abilities. And filming here at the custard factory reminds us that some foods, including custard powders and sugars, are also micronizers for easy transfer and mixing. So let's try and understand what micronizing is. DEC micronizers share common features with all micronizers. Firstly, all micronizers have a gas supply, generally nitrogen, to prevent explosion, the grinding gas stream and the Venturi product gas entry stream on the manifold, and a feeder to drive product into the micronizer. Micronizers work by introducing powder into the chamber in a controlled manner. The powder is then flung to the outside of the mill, where the larger particles collide and break up. As they get smaller, they work their way into the center of the unit, where they encounter a classifier. When they achieve the correct size, they flow out of the milling area and are swept by a high flow gas stream into a cyclone. This is where the micronized particles are separated from the gas stream. They are rapidly decelerated by the gas expansion, which allows the gas to flow through the filters, but the powder drops out like snow and falls out of the bottom of the cyclone. What makes DEC micronizers different is the ability of our range to produce high specification pharmaceutical grade product in a single pass. Our systems achieve highly accurate particle size distributions with less waste, high recovery and less downtime. We believe in right first time. DEC has produced a family of micronizer products to work in any type of production process. From the R&D scale MC1, which can micronize just a few grams per hour for new chemical entity development, the MC2 for clinical trials and phase 1 development producing in excess of 100 grams an hour, the MC50 for small batches, 2 to 5 kilos an hour, the MC150 for pre-production quantities of around 7 to 10 kilograms an hour, and onwards through the production scale MC200 over 40 grams an hour, the MC300 for mid-sized batches at over 70 kilograms an hour, and the MC400 for in excess of 100 kilograms an hour. The major benefit for you as a user, all these products are scalable. So if you can develop a micronizing product on MC1 scale R&D unit, you can be confident you can repeat this at the production scales on MC400 unit, turning out in excess of 100 kilograms an hour. This means your time to market with new products is also greatly reduced, saving you time and money. That also keeps you ahead of your competition. As we're so passionate about micronizing, we have also built a secondary range of micronizers to complement this standard range. The 4th generation systems give our clients the ability to further tighten the particle size curve, meaning reduced product waste and more usable active material. All DEC micronizing systems use allied technologies that can be critical to the final product and its control, such as developing online inline particle sampling and particle size monitoring in line with the advances in laser diffraction testing systems. DEC have also provided systems that can control gas conditioning of both input gases and packaging gases, along with enhanced computer control processing to GAMP5. We are working with our partners to develop our own process optimization modeling software called Neural Network for Process Optimization. This advanced software reduces the optimization time and carries on where Six Sigma left off. The software is modeled on the same neural network as a human brain and uses the ability of today's processors to carry out millions of micro calculations to reduce the process optimization time significantly, effectively creating graphical hotspots where you can tolerance your process. The software will guide you to your optimum operating range and tolerance your product in just a few runs. In test, this software has cut product development time down by several months. Well, I hope you enjoyed this presentation on DEC micronization and the benefits of accurate micronization. Next time, I'll be talking about blending, DEC's revolutionary batch mixer, and I'll also give you a glimpse into the world of continuous processing. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Biz2Biz TV.